Something this prestigious and big, and especially because we are the youngest team competing this year. I feel proud not just to represent my school but also my country. It is an opportunity that not everyone gets to have, and to be part of something this prestigious and big, and especially because we are the youngest team competing this year. My family has always been supportive and proud of me throughout this journey, and they're very proud of me and the whole team. All of us have been working very close to the rover, but I especially am working close to the design aspects like the wheels and the seating, as well as the social media handles. This competition has pushed me out of my comfort zone and has widened my horizon of knowledge academically and personally, as I get to explore new areas of knowledge and try out new things. Thrilling,